Good morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, your news anchor of Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 29 June from around the world. Ensure lockdown is not reimposed. Maharashtra Chief Minister's appeal. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Sunday said that despite its progress in tackling COVID-19, the crisis is not over yet and urged the people of the state to follow rules and ensure the lockdown is not reimposed. In the last 15 days, we have cautiously and gradually started reopening shops and offices. We have started local services for essential staff in Mumbai and small shops and businesses in rural parts of the state. But the pandemic still looms over our heads. Just because we are slowly starting the economy doesn't mean the danger is averted. I request you to please step out only if you have necessary work, Mr. Thackeray said. Gurgaon malls to open. The Haryana government on Sunday released the standard operation procedure to be followed in malls, which will be reopened in Gurgaon and Faridabad from 1st July. The guidelines will come into effect from next month. Timings for the malls will be 9 am to 8 pm. A state government statement read, adding, no person shall be out on roads beyond 9 pm. Rahul Gandhi's double-edged tweet on Ladakh takes on PM Sharad Pawar. Congress Rahul Gandhi took on friend and foe today with a tweet which, referring to the events at Ladakh, questioned, when will there be talk of national security? With a tweet or more a day, the Congress chief has been attacking the government since June 15 when 20 Indian soldiers were killed in action at Galwan Valley during a clash with the Chinese troops who have been making steady ingress into India. The timing and the phrasing of the tweet, "Kab hogi Rashtra Raksha aur Suraksha ki baat," reinforced the attack on the Prime Minister. The post came shortly before Prime Minister Narendra Modi was to address the nation in his monthly radio address Man Ki Baat. Man Ki Baat. Those who eyed Indian territory in Ladakh received befitting reply. Prime Minister. India has given a befitting response to China on Ladakh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said yesterday, praising the army which fought Chinese troops at the Galwan Valley earlier this month. He also spoke of the call for boycott of Chinese goods by the traders and the civil society, juxtaposing it against the government's Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign. We will buy local and be vocal for local, and this will help India become stronger, he said. Those who eyed Indian territory in Ladakh have received a befitting response, the Prime Minister said in his monthly radio address Man Ki Baat. Coronavirus vaccine status check. Oxford vaccine most advanced, says WHO. Even though there are more than 13 experimental vaccines in clinical trials, among the 140 being developed to combat COVID-19, the World Health Organization has identified the candidates developed by Oxford University, AstraZeneca, and Moderna Inc. as the front runners. Certainly, in terms of how advanced they are, the stage at which they are, I think, probably the leading candidate. Reuters quoted WHO chief scientist Soumya Swaminathan as saying, I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.